They moved. Did you see they moved the camera? Okay. Amber's goal is to not look at the monitor that we have here in the studio, to look at herself on TV.
Or at you guys.
Yeah. So when we started the show, the camera was right. It's like having a camera right next to your TV set. I mean, right there. They've moved it about 3 feet away now.
Yeah, that was nice. Thank you.
Did that help you?
Yeah, so now I only see myself in the periphery.
Okay, good. All right.
It's awesome, isn't it?
Trivial Matters. Jill Lane is here to talk about something a little more substantial.
Yes.
Thank you, Jill.
Yes, thank you for
having us.
Jill Lane is with the Albuquerque International Balloon Museum and here to talk about the Chicky Boom Ball.
That's correct. It's coming up on August 15th. It's the Brazilian Party of the Year, and everybody is invited. It's our biggest fundraiser annually to develop funds for the children's programs, the Stories in the Sky, and the Title I Flying Bus programs. So it's a really important event for us, and we make it lots of fun for the people that come.
Okay, so what are we going to be expecting when we go to the
Well,
Chicky Boom Ball?
Chicky Boom is named after Carmen Miranda, which was the first special-shaped balloon in the Balloon Fiesta here in Albuquerque.
Unforgettable balloon.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so that's why we have the Chicky Boom Ball. It's in honor of her. And so it's a very colorful, bright Brazilian party. We start out at the Calypso Marketplace, and there'll be dancing, there'll be all sorts of fun entertainment, there'll be a Calypso bar with special Brazilian drinks in addition to the traditional ones. And then we'll have a silent auction that will have amazing things for people to, snag and take home and have great, great memories and great gifts as a result of it. And then following that, we will have a dinner. And during the dinner, we're going to actually have, instead of music, live music, we're going to have, so people can talk with the people that they're sitting with.
Yes.
We're going to have rainforest, the sounds of the rainforest.
Oh, how nice.
Rain and birds, soft birds, and just sound effects in the
glad
background.
you thought of it. Sometimes you go to these things and the band is going so loud you can't talk to people.
Exactly.
So.
And of course, what better food to have at a Brazilian party than Tucano's Brazilian Grill. They're going to be doing the food catering this year, so we're really excited about having that. And then we're going to have a live auction, and there's going to be a lot of really, really neat. There's a 4-season New Mexico getaway. There's some beautiful jewelry. We've got a great men's package with a humidor and cigars and great wines and all sorts of fun things. And then we end the evening with our own special little balloon glow. So it's going to be a really fun evening.
Sounds like
from start to finish.
I love that theme.
And we tell everybody to come in bright colors, casual, bright, fun attire for the whole evening.
Something you'd wear to a party in the rainforest.
Right,
maybe.
exactly.
Oh, I love it. So this has been going on for a couple of years now?
Yes. I think it's either the 4th or the 5th Chicky Boom, and I believe it started in 2009 was the first one.
And it's been growing?
And it's been growing every year, and we really do encourage regular people who are not traditional parts of the ballooning family to come to this event because it's just a fun event, and the cause, of course, is excellent. We're raising monies for our educational programs at the Balloon Museum.
Somebody will come dressed as Carmen Miranda.
Yeah.
Somebody.
Yeah.
Larry?
No, I wasn't hinting.
Let's give
No.
That's right.
Somebody's got to do it, though. I mean,
Yes, you'll see some of that.
I'm
And
sure.
we do have a lot of fun with how the people come dressed, so we do encourage people to get creative and have fun.
So the whole Brazilian theme. We got a little glimpse of Brazil with the World Cup. They're
That's
fun
correct.
people. They love to have a good time, so that carries over to this party.
Yes,
Right.
and that's so funny that in Albuquerque, people will really go, they dress up and they go
They
cuckoo.
do.
They don't mind being completely wild.
No,
at
why not?
all.
Let's do it.
We all need an excuse to have fun and break out and
make memories.
exactly. So
And
this
have
is
fun pictures.
that's the idea of this, is that we just really want to have a fun evening for everybody and raise money at the same time. So we do, anybody that's interested in coming, they can purchase tickets online. It's at balloonmuseum.com, and there's a box right there that says Chicky Boom Ball. So you just click on that and you can buy your tickets.
And how much are they?
They're $125 per person, or
Nice.
it's $13.50 for a table. If you want a sponsored table for like a corporation, it's $1,500.
There you go.
Yeah.
Good.
And it's all, the money goes for excellent, programs at the museum. So we really really encourage people to think about this as a donation in addition to having an excuse for a great party.
I just have about a minute left, but are you seeing a nice upswing in tourists coming to visit during this tourism season?
Absolutely. We continue to grow in our visitorship to the Balloon Museum all the time. I think people are starting to finally realize that the Balloon Museum is not just open 9 days a year, but it's open year-round.
Right.
And that we have all these amazing, because of our setting, we have all these amazing rooms and areas that you can host an event, and we have wonderful events that are coming up, like the Mac and Cheese Fest and the Bacon Fest are coming up in the fall, in addition to, of course, Balloon Fiesta. So there's fun things for the public to do all the time at the Balloon Museum.
You got a lot of creative party planners back there, don't you?
Good to see you, Jill, and come back and see us when those other events roll around.
And we hope to see you wearing a Chicky Boom hat at the ball, Larry.
I put myself in an awkward position there. Jill Lane with the Balloon Museum. We'll be back. More Morning Brew after this.